Good morning.
Good morning.
How's everybody this wonderful morning?
Great.
Are we wonderful yet?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, it's going to be my joy to lead this. First, we're going to do a little bit of an open affirmative meditation. So as I guide you into this, I'm going to invite you, once I get to the affirmative meditative point, which I'll indicate, to affirm the words that I'm speaking to yourself. And as we do that, we'll lead it into the silence, okay? So I'll let you know when to do that, because it's a very powerful affirmative prayer meditation that really gets us focused in on what we want to be physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually.
You are the face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God. You are the face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God. You are the face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God.
So let us just relax and go within and be here in the present moment. Let go of the morning and the afternoon, for the point of power is always in the present moment. So in this journey, I know that there is only one life, and that is God's life. And I invite you to silently speak these words to yourself. I hold and support myself in a vision of love, life, and light. I am whole, perfect, and complete at all times and in all ways. I now experience perfect circulation, assimilation, and elimination in all of my physical functions and affairs. And I give thanks and accept the words I have spoken unconditionally, and know that the Spirit is live within me. And so I reflect upon these words in the silence. And as I've accepted these words about myself and release any contradictions and false ideas from the core of my being which do not support this truth that I have just accepted. And we go forward into our journey, knowing that who we are, the way we are, is 100% okay. And we accept it and know that
You are the face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God. You are the face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God. You are the face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are